While driving home from a day trip, my wife and I spotted this estate sale, and here's all the goodies I came home with for 20 bucks. Let me know if it was worth it. I think I just have a hoarding problem with bolts, screws, and hardware, so that could just be my problem. But let's see what I got. Well, let's kind of quickly go through this. Lots and lots of hardware. I think mostly nails, so you can see. I mean, how much is a box of nails these days? I mean, it's ridiculous. It's probably like 20 bucks in and of itself. So we have, what, maybe 2-inch or 2.5-inch nail right there. A whole bag of those, 3 pounds. This person paid originally $1 for this whole thing. Looks like lots of switches. This is a fuse holder. Old metal outlet cover. Some wire, which might seem like junk, but you know, it's always nice to have extra wire, especially if you want to repair stuff or you want to make testers and whatnot. Yeah, these switches are very old. You can tell because they're all Phillips. And it looks like they don't have any grounding screws. Well, oh well, right? Here's some more. A lot of old switches. Yeah, they're all made in the USA. So I'm not going to bore you with that. I think these are all just switches. What do we got here? Port switch. Heavy duty. Sears. Look at that. That's the cool thing too I like going to estate sales is finding old parts like that. And I can't tell you how many times I've seen stuff that's never been used. Yeah, so these are all just switches. So what, maybe 15 switches? Granted, their use might be questionable since they don't have a ground screw, but whatever, right? Let's see what this is. So we got these washers. Yeah, these are washers. So we got some washers. And don't worry, I'm not going to go through every single little baggie with you. I know that'd probably be very boring, but it's cool to see. Yeah, so I'm guessing these are all washers. Yeah, and then down here we have the creme de la creme nuts and some studs galore. And I'm hoping this is, thought it was gold, but nope, it looks like it's just more hardware. Even more goodies. Let's see what we got here. Plastic covers, caps for something. Educate me, guys and gals. What? Obviously, we have a bolt with threads, but without a head. So, I mean, obviously you can use it as is if you have access to the other side. Huh. How would you fully tighten it without it just spinning? Carriage bolt. See? I still got lots of stuff to learn. Sprinkler head, or I guess a sprinkler arm. Water your garden. Very old switch cover. 4 lead wood screw shields. Then we have some eye bolts. Ooh, is this yeah, hooks for pegboard. Brand new, 2 for $1. Wow. Nothing that cheap anymore. Some more hooks. Strap. Hardware. Black switch covers, outlet switch covers, cover plates, whatever you want, whatever you people call them or want to call them. More bolts. Ooh, what are these? Nuts. I've never seen these kind. Not that they're anything fancy, but Wonder if they were used for a specific application. A whole bag full of them. And lastly in here, some, this is not considered all threaded because it's not fully threaded, but I don't know what you'd call this. Studs of some sort. Washers. Some cashews. And then tons of hardware. And some bearings. There you go. Brand new bearings. This box will be much quicker based on the fact that everything is actually labeled. So a whole bunch of galvanized nails. I'm guessing we're gonna have a lot of galvanized nails, double grip nails. There you go. Yeah, so I guess these are all just different sizes. So this is 3-inch nails. Let's see if there's a price. I'm just always fascinated by how costs change. Here we go. So this was 55 cents each for, wow. For a pound of nails. I'm gonna check to see how much it would be. Yeah, so lots of nails, galvanized nails. We got some stainless steel ones. It's always handy to have hardware. This much might be, maybe not that much, but what? But I'm in too deep. Some more. And more. Lots of colors. Bag of anything like zinc or copper coated nails. And then just a whole bunch of random nails. All right, now the last box. So we do have a tool. So if you don't know what this is for fishing wire. You can just attach your cable, whatever Romex cabling you're using, and then just feed it through walls or ceilings or whatever you need. The only thing is, and it's metal too, so it's definitely nicer, from GB. The only thing I don't know is I have one now that's plastic, and it has a little handle that you can push to feed the fish line back into the holder. This one doesn't have it, so I don't know if you do just kind of shove it in, and maybe that's why they designed it with a integrated handle, but I could definitely see how this could be a pain trying to put back in together. So correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm not sure if this does come with a little button to push the wire back in, or if it was meant to come like this. So just let me know in the comments. And then, yep, more nails. I'm guessing you get the picture here, so I'm not gonna go through all of them, but yeah, a whole host of finishing nails. And if we have a shortage, just let me know and I can hook you up with some nails. Oh gosh. Yeah. Roofing nails. I'm not gonna bore you with all because I'm just guessing. More nails. Oh gosh. More nails. More nails. More nails. So just, yeah, a whole box of nails. So that's it. Just thought I'd give you a quick video showing what I found. I don't know, maybe I'm just adding to the mounds and mounds of nails I already have, but I figured it was pretty cool for 20 bucks. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.